top 10 fastest birds in the world. Gray-headed albatross. Adult gray-headed albatrosses weigh approximately 3 to 4 kilograms and have a wingspan of 78 inches. Gray-headed albatrosses can reach speeds of 79 miles per hour. These seabirds are capable of flying great distances at high speeds, especially during long migrations. Red-breasted merganser. The red-breasted merganser is one of the fastest ducks, capable of flying at speeds up to 81 miles per hour. They are commonly found zooming across lakes and rivers. The adult red-breasted merganser has a wingspan of 26 to 29 inches and weighs 800 to 1,350 grams. Spur-winged goose. The spur-winged goose is the largest goose species, weighing around 3.9 kilograms. Despite their size, these geese can reach speeds of 88 miles per hour with a wingspan of 59 to 79 inches, flying swiftly across African wetlands. Frigate bird. Frigate birds are experts at gliding over the ocean, often flying at a high speed of up to 95 miles per hour to cover great distances. These seabirds' average weight is 1 to 1.8 kilograms with a wingspan of 85.4 to 88.2 inches. Eurasian hobby. The Eurasian hobby is a small, agile falcon known for its incredible speed and dexterity in catching small birds and insects mid-flight. It can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour in short bursts. This falcon has a wingspan of 29 to 33 inches and a weight of 175 to 285 grams. White-throated needletail. The white-throated needletail is one of the fastest birds in powered flight, reaching speeds of up to 105 miles per hour. It has an average weight of 115 to 120 grams and has a wingspan of 15 inches. Common swift. Common swifts are expert aerial acrobats, spending much of their lives in the air. These birds can fly at speeds up to 106 miles per hour with a 16-inch wingspan. Its average weight is 38 grams. Gyrfalcon. The largest falcon in the world, the gyrfalcon is a formidable hunter with high-speed pursuit skills, which weighs around 1.4 kilograms and has a 4-foot wingspan. Capable of reaching speeds of 130 miles per hour, they are found in Arctic regions, chasing prey like ptarmigans. Golden eagle. Golden eagles, with their broad 6 feet 8 inches wings and strong build, are renowned for their speed during hunting dives. These majestic birds of prey can reach 199 miles per hour. Speeds to catch their quarry. Its average weight is 4.5 kilograms. Peregrine falcon. Known as the fastest bird and animal on the planet, the peregrine falcon can reach speeds up to 240 miles per hour in a hunting dive. Its remarkable speed helps it snatch prey mid-air with precision. Peregrine falcons weigh 530 to 1600 grams with a wingspan of 39.4 to 43.3 inches.
Thank you. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for stay connected.